This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 1, Estimate Quotients. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. Okay, when we estimate, we're going to round these numbers. We're going to round our dividend and round our divisor to numbers that are easier to work with. So I'm looking at the number 304. If I round this to the nearest 100, meaning round it to 300, it's going to be a whole lot easier to work with. And if I take the number 18, and it's pretty close to 20, so I'm going to round it to 10, then it's going to be much easier to work with. So I will do this. Now I'm going to do a basic fact. 3 divided by 2, I can't do 3 divided by 2, but I can do 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15, and then I have a 0 and a 0 in my dividend and a 0 in my divisor. And when I'm dividing, those zeros can cancel each other out. So my answer is 15. Okay, so let's take a look down here at these ones. I'm going to round to easy numbers to figure out. So this 512, easy numbers to work with. 500 divided by 50. So on this one, I could have gone like 510, but that wouldn't have been easy to work with over here. So that's why I went to 500. And 52, if I round it to 50, it's close to 52. It's just off by a little bit. Now it will be easier to work out. I'll do the same thing here. 412 divided by 97. 412, it's going to be pretty close to 400. And 97 is almost 100, so I would do 100 there. Now on this one, I think I'm going to do, I have 237. Now, 237, that's really not, that's higher than 230. So I'm going to round to 240. And then you can decide, I'm going to go like this and divide by 83. And I'm going to change it to 80. Can I do 24 divided by 8? Yes, I can, so that will work out. And then I'll go ahead and work it out. And I can do the same thing here. 458, wow. I need to round to something that 3 can go into easily. 3 doesn't go into 4. I bet 3 would go into 42. So I could round to 4,200, or I could also round to 4,500. That would work also. Okay, either of those two numbers would work. All right, let's look at the back. We're going to do the very same thing. The Booster Club is having a bake sale. The members place 25 baked goods in each bag. There are 630 baked goods donated. About how many bags will the club have for sale? Since I have the word about in there, I can estimate. So instead of saying 630, well, I'll go ahead and write it. I'll do 630 divided by 25. And then I'm going to round to numbers that are easy to work with. Sometimes it's easier to do this number. If I round to 30, now I'm going to find out, well, what number would 3 go into easily? I think I'm going to do 600. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing for the rest of the paper. A farmer has 212 acres of land for sale. He divides the land into 18 equal sections. About how many acres are in each section? Number 7, Alexander has 418 songs on his MP3 player. He divides the songs into 11 equal groups. About how many songs are in each group? And a restaurant ordered 833 ounces of chicken. There are 16 ounces in a pound. About how many pounds of chicken did the restaurant order? I also notice the words about right here. That helps me know that I can estimate. Ms. Robbins has 600 sheets of paper for a project. She has 48 students. Which is the best estimate for the number of sheets of paper she can give to each student? I'll do 600 divided by 48. 600 is an easy number to work with, but I think I'll change 45 to the nearest 10. I think I would go to 50. All right, thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.